guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find someone's social media account by their phone number. So if you want to find someone's Facebook account through their phone number, here is how you can do it. First of all, open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on the search icon right over here on the top right. Now here in the search bar, type down your contact number that you want to find on Facebook. And if this contact number is on Facebook and they have used this number for their account, the profile linked with this contact number will appear on the results right here. Similarly, if you would like to find someone's Instagram account through their contact number, then you need to open the Instagram application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile section. Once you are here, tap on the three lines you see at the top right corner of your screen. Now here in the search bar, you need to type contacts. And you can see the upload contacts option, tap on it. And you will be taken to this page where you can see the connect contacts option here. Now all you have to do is to toggle this button right over here. Now the contacts on your phone will be synced with your Instagram and the Instagram will suggest you the accounts of the contact numbers that you have saved on your phone. So this is how you can find someone's social media account by their phone number. I hope you found this video helpful. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.